welcome back. It's me, Cassia, and my little brother, Ezra. And today we're making pancakes. So today we're using these ingredients, which are salt, baking soda, all-purpose flour, and oil. First we need to add 1 cup of flour. Get my spoon and my sugar. Okay. So now we're going to put 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix now. 2 tablespoons of baking powder. I almost said baking soda. 1, 2. So now he's going to mix 1 teaspoon of salt. And guys, if you are doing this, make sure to get parent safety. Thank you! We mix 1 cup of milk.
What happened?
I was mixing too hard and they went like and there's powder all over him now. I'm sorry. So now we're gonna beat an egg. I never cracked an egg before. Ah! Oops. Oh. Okay guys, I messed up, so I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna start beating an egg. I'm done. It looks like noodles. And then now we need 2 tablespoons of oil. Wait, so that. This can take forever. I'm done mixing. That didn't take that long. We're gonna spray whatever this is. Then let's get the batter. It looks like it's done, but it has to bubble first until you flip it. Get out! No! You see? So cool. Our first pancake. I hope I don't burn myself. Look. Well, it's almost done. Let's see if we can move it around. I want to take a bite of the pancake. Okay, so we're done. We have heart-shaped pancakes and circle-shaped pancakes. We're gonna eat. You can eat it with honey or chocolate syrup. Yummy! Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when we have a new video down below. So, bye!